In the last part, we will discuss that STPP chemical react with the calcium and magnesium ions to form the soft sludge of calcium phosphate and magnesium phosphate. So the audience, in last animation you see how calcium and magnesium ions will react with the phosphate ions to convert into the calcium phosphate and the magnesium phosphate, which is the soft sludge. So in this part I will explain you about the chemical which disperse the soft sludge to settle them on the tube. Soft sludge is normally removed from the boiler or blowdown. However, if it settles on the hot metal surface of the boiler tubes, the intense heat bakes the soft sludge. It undergoes a phase change and hardens into a dense rock-like deposits known as the boiler scale, typically composed of a calcium carbonate, magnesium or silica. So before telling you the dispersion chemical which will disperse the soft sludge, I will clear the one concept of polyaluminum chloride pack thing. Now we see from animation how polyaluminum chloride settled this calcium phosphate and magnesium phosphate soft sludge, and then we moved out from the boiler. But we do not add polyaluminum chloride pack chemical. Oh, this main problem. Why? This is the plus point. If adding polyaluminum chloride, this settled the soft sludge and then we moved out from the boiler. But we do not using this. Why? Now come to this point. This is the main concept which I am clear you this concept why polyaluminum chloride is not added to the boiler. Now come to the point why PAAS is not added in the boiler, because under the extreme heat and high pH of the boiler water, the aluminium in the pack chemical react intensely with naturally occurring silica in the water. It forms analcite. This reaction creates a complex mineral called analcite, which is incredibly hard scale-like material, which is also the scale. It destroys the tubes. As we know, analcite is highly insulating and almost impossible to remove. It coats the tube, prevents the water from cooling the steel, and quickly causes the boiler tubes to overheat, blister, and catastrophically rupture. As you see in this animated videos, you see how analcite form on the boiler tubes and make the scale formation, and after the scale formation this will expose the tube and the failure of the boiler. So we will conclude the aluminium chloride PAAS is not added to the boiler to settle these calcium and magnesium phosphate. When this calcium and magnesium phosphate soft sludge goes to the boiler basin, they will automatically settle down in the basin by gravity as an engineering phenomena. So now our next job is to use the dispersant chemical which keep our boiler safe from settling this soft sludge and keep the soft sludge dispersed when goes to the boiler basin, where the soft sludge will settle down in the boiler and then move out from the boiler blowdown. Now I am telling you about this dispersant chemical, polyacrylate. Especially sodium polyacrylate is one of the best and most commonly used dispersant for low to medium pressure boilers. In all the previous parts, now we are at this stage, we save our boiler from scale formation using water treatment chemicals. In the next part, we will start how to protect our boiler from the corrosion. So wait for the next part. Thank you for watching our videos.